Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Pisngi Baboy, or pork cheeks, are truly an incredible find, offering surprising flavor and an economical choice for any home cook. This often overlooked cut transforms into a tender, rich delight, becoming incredibly succulent when prepared correctly. You will discover how to unlock its full potential, turning a simple ingredient into a truly memorable dish. Get ready to impress your family and friends with this versatile and delicious meat. Proper preparation is key to a perfect dish, so always start by thoroughly cleaning your pork cheeks under cold running water. This crucial step removes any impurities, ensuring your meat is fresh and ready for the cooking process ahead. Next, carefully trim away any excessive fat, but remember to leave a good amount for that essential flavor and moisture. A little fat will render beautifully, enhancing the richness of your final meal. Braising is truly the ultimate technique for achieving incredibly tender pork cheeks, transforming them into a melt-in-your-mouth experience. Begin by searing the meat deeply on all sides, creating a beautiful, flavorful crust that locks in juices. Afterward, transfer them to a pot and simmer slowly in your chosen flavorful liquid, perhaps broth or an aromatic sauce, until they become incredibly fork tender. Patience in braising truly pays off with exceptional results every time. Pisngi Baboy beautifully absorbs a wide range of Filipino flavors, making it incredibly versatile for your kitchen adventures. Consider cooking them adobo style, braising in a fragrant mix of soy sauce, vinegar, garlic, and bay leaves for that classic tangy savory profile. Alternatively, you could simmer them in a rich tomato-based sauce, adding hearty vegetables like potatoes and carrots for a comforting and fulfilling stew. The possibilities are truly delicious for this adaptable cut. Once your delicious pork cheeks are perfectly tender, serve them hot alongside a generous portion of steaming white rice. The rice will beautifully absorb all those wonderful, rich sauces. Garnish your plate with some fresh green onions or a sprinkle of crispy toasted garlic for an extra layer of flavor and visual appeal. And here is a secret. The flavors often deepen overnight, making any leftovers even more delightful the next day. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.